Hi guys, I just had a little panic moment with my Baby Lock Sashiko, and I was like, I wonder how often this happens for other people and how long it takes people to figure it out. So if you're like me and had this issue, I'm making this video so hopefully we can all come to the conclusion quicker and easier than I did. I just did it for like 5 minutes and I was like, have I broken it? What did I do to my machine? I was freaking out. Okay. I even got my book out and was like looking at all the troubleshooting. So I turned the machine on, the light works, but none of these are blinking. And if you know the Sashiko, you know, like those are supposed to be blinking for you to pretty much do anything. Like if you want to change out this, you got to do it. You got to like have a certain color. You got to have a certain color with your presser foot down kind of thing. Like you just know. So I searched and searched and searched. I finally realized after pressing the presser foot, the foot pedal, not the foot presser foot, the foot pedal, that my bobbin winder was still in the position. See, it just turned on. So finally pushed the foot pedal and it started winding and I was like, wait a second, that's it. Okay, so just make sure your bobbin winder isn't in the on position and it's in the off position, and then you will be able to work the rest of the machine and stitch with it. So I hope this helps somebody out there because I was just panicking. So not a fun feeling, that's for sure, especially with a machine like this that you don't want to have issues with. So